What's going on, guys? All right, part 2 of the Lay's Flavor Drop Global Edition. All right, the first one we tried was honey butter. Pretty interesting. This is number 2. This is going to be Tzatziki sauce. All right, Tzatziki. I know I'm probably not pronouncing it right. So this is the famous Greek sauce that goes on a gyro, which I don't say that, I say gyro. Whether it's right or not, that's what I say. And it's delicious. It's wonderful. I can dip stuff in. In fact, instead of like sour cream and onion dip, I've bought Tzatziki sauce, the pre-made, and just use that as a dip. It's absolutely delicious. So this is taste inspired by Greece, of course. Right? Should be obvious here. So you can see Tzatziki is like yogurt and cucumber and dill and maybe lemon juice, some other stuff I'm not thinking of right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are wavy style. All right, let's see what these are about. Wow, there's garlic in Tzatziki too. Holy moly, this smells like a pizzeria. You know when you walk into a pizzeria, you get that cooking garlic smell? That is it right there. This could be like garlic cheese bread. That's what it smells like kind of to me. Anything garlic. Wow, the garlic is so strong. It's funny, I wasn't even thinking about that as an option for the flavor, but yeah, that's definitely there. That's what they look like, plain. They look like plain wavy chips. Bottoms up. It's a little weird. So it like almost captures it. Like I thought, like, wow, that's really tasting like it, but it like falls flat immediately. It's missing something. I don't know what it's missing. I definitely taste like the dill and herbs. There is garlic in there. It's not as strong as it smells. But I don't know what's missing. I don't know, maybe a little of the sweetness. It's not really super sweet though. If anything, it's kind of tangy. I'm not sure. I don't know what this thing's missing, but it's not, it's like, I don't know, 75% there to Tzatziki land, and then it just ran out of gas. That's it. They're not bad. They're definitely unique. They're different. I can dig it. Want to try one? My wife's in the background. She peeked her head around the corner. We like our gyros. We haven't had one in a long time.
Oh, it does smell like garlic.
Right? Smell the bag. The bag's mad like a pizzeria. Right? What's it missing? You tell me.
It's missing like the tang from the yogurt, whatever they use.
The tang. Yes, it's not tangy at all. Tzatziki a little sweet? Or I don't think so.
You taste a lot of oil from the chips themselves.
Is that what it is? Yeah. It's not bad, right? But it's not like...
I don't like the flavor of the chips.
Yeah, I don't know. It's almost there, but didn't quite make it. So yeah, that's about it. All right. That's unfortunate. I'll tell you that, like, the more I eat, the more I taste garlic and herb. So instead of calling this Tzatziki, if they called it garlic herb, I guess that'd be more accurate, because that's kind of the predominant flavor here. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't hear me? Sometimes I don't think about stuff like that. Like, I am massively crinkling a bag. And by the way, RIP to all the headphone users. I'm so sorry. I never use headphones. I hate them. I don't know why. So I don't have that experience, but that was probably horrible for you. And for anyone who's not wearing headphones, you couldn't hear anything I was saying. So I apologize for being rude there. But yeah, these are, I would definitely not get these again. The honey butter ones were definitely better. These are a miss, unfortunately. That's it. Stay tuned for number 3, which is the most interesting. That's why I saved it for last. See you when that video happens. But for now, hope you have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.